I truly believe that there was likely no better conditions for these two to meet. They got to meet when both were amongst good friends, laughter, and all-around fun. These two have had a wild ride and now find themselves ready to take the next step towards the rest of their lives together.
So Lianna is smart, she's driven, she's witty, and she is probably the most emotionally intelligent human I know. I genuinely look up to her and rely, maybe a bit too heavily, on her input and advice in basically every aspect of my life.
This man is one of the highest quality people I know. You snagged yourself a good one here, Lianna. Hardworking, intelligent, and he's a handsome devil. I have no doubt that he'll be a great husband and even a better father when that time comes. And if it was up to Barrett, it would have already happened.
Can you count the stars, my child? Or can you count the sun?
I watched Lianna go from this single college girl, the life of every party, who seemed to be in no rush to settle down, to meeting Barrett and instantly knowing that he was the one.
You are my partner in life. I vow not to just grow old together, but to grow together. I vow to continuously work on myself and to be the wife you want and deserve. I love you very much.
Lianna, I love you. I have no idea what our future holds. I really don't. But I want you and the rest of the world to know this. I promise to start each and every day of my life with a renewed dedication to giving you the future you deserve. Lianna, without hesitation, I promise to love you unconditionally for the rest of my life.
And now, by the power invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Journey to get here, but you guys are the most important people to us in the world, and it just means so much that you're here, and we're looking forward to just celebrating the rest of the night with you guys.
Tonight, I'd like to make this public declaration of love to our parents. I wake up every morning feeling incredibly grateful to be your daughter, and I love you. Thank you.